Hello, my dear, polite, and clever friends. Welcome to our channel Chemistry is Awesome. Friends, in previous videos, we have started discussion on classification of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. You know that halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons are classified mainly in two ways. Number one, classification based on hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. This is one type. According to this, halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons are classified as haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes, and haloarenes. This is one type. What is second? Classification of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons on the basis of number of halogen atoms present in a molecule. According to this, halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons are classified into four classes, such as monohalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, or in short, we can represent mono HDH. They are also called as monohalogen compounds. Number two, dihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, or in short, di-HDH, or dihalogen compounds. Next, third, tri-HDH or trihalogen compounds. Next, number four, tetrahalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, or in short, tetra-HDH or tetrahalogen compounds. Here prefixes mono, di, tri and tetra indicates number of halogen atoms present in a molecule. Mono stands for 1, di stands for 2, tri stands for 3, tetra stands for 2. But we know that in this type of classification, there are three important questions. What is first? What are halogen derivatives of alkanes? How are they classified? Number two, what are dihalogen derivatives of alkanes? How are they classified? And number three, what are haloarenes? How are they classified? Out of these three questions, already we have completed first two questions in previous lecture. Now, in today's lecture, we will start discussion on third question of this second type of classification, that is, what are haloarenes? How are they classified? Now, what are haloarenes? Definition is very simple. Haloarenes can be defined like this. Arenes are nothing but aromatic hydrocarbons, and most common example of arene is benzene or methyl benzene. Methyl benzene is commonly known as toluene, ethyl benzene, etc. But here, what is important example of arene? That is benzene. What is definition of haloarenes or haloarene? The compounds, aromatic halogen compounds. Aromatic halogen compounds in which one or more halogen atom or atoms are directly bonded to benzene ring or aromatic ring or aromatic nucleus are called haloarenes or aryl halides. Now, what is one more definition? One more definition is like this. We know that benzene consists of 6 carbon atoms. At each corner there is carbon atom, and to each carbon atom one hydrogen atom is bonded. Therefore, molecular formula of benzene is C6H6, and the structural formula is like this: hexagonal ring. At each corner there is carbon atom, and to each carbon atom one hydrogen atom gets bonded. And in this ring there are alternate double and single bonds. There are 3 double bonds. This is structure of benzene. Now, what is the next definition? the compounds formed by replacement of one or more hydrogen atom or atoms. One or more hydrogen atom or atoms of benzene ring or aromatic ring or aromatic nucleus by corresponding, that means equal, number of halogen atom or atoms are called haloarenes or aryl halides. This is one more definition. Now what is next? Classification of haloarenes. Very simple. Haloarenes are classified on the basis of number of halogen atom or atoms present in a molecule. They are classified as monohaloarenes, dihaloarenes, trihaloarenes and tetrahaloarenes. These di, tri and tetrahaloarenes are also called as polyhaloarenes. Now let us see at the board. We'll write classification. Haloarenes are classified into four subclasses. Number one, monohaloarenes. Number two, dihaloarenes. Number three, trihaloarenes. And number four, tetrahaloarenes. So that on the basis of number of halogen atom or atoms present in a molecule, haloarenes are classified as monohaloarenes, dihaloarenes, trihaloarenes and tetrahaloarenes. What are monohaloarenes? Again we can put statement like this: haloarenes in which only one halogen atom is directly bonded to benzene ring or aromatic ring or aromatic nucleus are called monohaloarenes, and they are represented by drawing benzene ring, and to this benzene ring one halogen atom is directly bonded. Or we can put in the form of definition: aromatic halogen compound or compounds formed by the replacement of only one hydrogen atom. Only one hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by halogen atom. Aromatic halogen compound or compounds in which or formed by replacement of only one hydrogen atom of benzene ring by one halogen atom are called monohaloarenes, and they are represented like this. Now, what are the examples of monohaloarenes? We can write examples such as chlorobenzene, bromobenzene or iodobenzene or fluorobenzene. We will represent here only one example: chlorobenzene. In place of Cl you can write Br, that is bromobenzene, or iodine as iodobenzene, or fluorine, fluorobenzene. Now what is the next class? Dihaloarenes. What are dihaloarenes? Aromatic halogen compounds in which two halogen atoms are directly bonded to benzene ring or aromatic nucleus or aromatic ring are called dihaloarenes, and they are represented as like this by drawing benzene ring, and to this benzene ring two halogen atoms are bonded, directly bonded. Or in the form of definition: aromatic halogen compounds formed by the replacement of two hydrogen atoms of benzene ring by two halogen atoms are called dihaloarenes. But in case of dihaloarenes, we get different position isomers. Now this is one of them. What is next one? Positions of halogen atoms are different on this benzene ring. This is one more. Positions of halogen atoms are different. Here in first isomer, these are called as position isomers because they differ in position of halogen atoms on this benzene ring. Here positions of halogen atoms are 1 and 2. Here positions of halogen atoms 1 and 3. And here positions of halogen atoms are 1 and 4. This isomer is called as orthoisomer, or in general ortho dihalobenzene. Ortho-dihalobenzene according to common name system. And what about IUPAC name? 1,2 dihalobenzene. This is IUPAC name. Now this isomer is called as meta dihalobenzene. This isomer is called as meta dihalobenzene, or in short m, small m followed by hyphen, dihalobenzene. Here in case of this ortho, or in short we'll write small o followed by hyphen, dihaloarenes. Now what about this? This is called as para dihaloarene, or in short, or para dihalobenzene, in short P dihalobenzene. All these are called as position isomers of each other. What is definition of position isomer or isomerism? The isomers having same molecular formula. What is the molecular formula for all these? C6H4X2. Molecular formula of all these compounds is same. The isomers having same molecular formula, but they differ in position of halogen atoms on chain of carbon atoms or on ring of carbon atoms. Here ring of benzene are called position isomers of each other, and the phenomenon is called as position isomerism. Here we can write examples such as 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Here we will replace both these X. X stands for halogen atoms. Here we will replace both these X by placing ClCl. Again, this compound is called as, over here we will write examples. This is benzene ring, and positions are 1 and 2. So that this compound is having two names according to common name system: ortho-dichlorobenzene, common name, and 1,2-dichlorobenzene. This is IUPAC name. Now here also we can write example by replacing X by placing bromine atoms. So that this is called as meta dibromobenzene, or in short M followed by hyphen, dibromobenzene. Or what about their positions? One of the bromine atom is bonded to carbon number first, and next one is bonded to carbon number third. Therefore, in case of IUPAC name system, this is called as 1,3-dibromobenzene. Now here we will attach iodine atoms. This is called as para, or in short small p followed by hyphen, diiodobenzene, or according to IUPAC name system 1,4 diiodobenzene. Okay, so that these are nothing but here these are called as position isomers whenever halogen atoms, but for position isomerism these halogen atoms must be same. Here there must be chlorine atoms, here there must be chlorine atoms. Then and then only they are called as position isomers. Now we proceed towards next heading, trihaloarenes. What are trihaloarenes? The aromatic halogen compounds in which 3 halogen atoms are directly bonded to benzene ring or aromatic nucleus are called trihaloarenes. Now let us see representations. Again, in this case, we get different isomers such as 1, 2, 3 trihalobenzene, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 trihalobenzene, and 1, 3, 5 trihalobenzene. So that in this case, whenever 3 halogen atoms are bonded to benzene ring, we are getting 3 different isomers. And again, all these are position isomers of each other. What is molecular formula for all these? Molecular formula for all these is C6H3X3. Here X represents again halogen atoms. We can attach chlorine atoms, bromine atoms, or iodine atoms. If we attach chlorine atoms here, then that is called as 1, 2, 3 trichlorobenzene according to IUPAC name system. In common name system, there is no name. 1, 2, 3 trichlorobenzene. If these halogen atoms X are replaced by chlorine atoms. Next one is called as 1, 2, 4 trichlorobenzene. Again, this compound is having only IUPAC name. 1, 2, 4. These are the positions. 1, 2, 4 trichlorobenzene according to IUPAC name system. And what about this one? For this isomer, again we have two names. One is common name and another one is IUPAC name. If we attach chlorine atoms here, then this is called as symmetrical, or in short SYM. This means symmetrical trihalobenzene. Trihalobenzene. Or when we replace this X by placing Cl, and Cl, then that compound will be called as symmetrical trichlorobenzene. Symmetrical trichlorobenzene. And what about its IUPAC name? 1, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is carbon number 5, this is carbon number 6. Now let's see positions of halogen atoms. One of the halogen atom is bonded to first, next one is bonded to the third one, and next one is bonded to fifth one. So that what about IUPAC name? 1, 3, 5 trihalobenzene. 1, 3, 5 trihalobenzene. Or when we replace these all 3X by placing Cl, then what will be IUPAC name? 1, 3, 5 trichlorobenzene. Why this is called a symmetrical trichlorobenzene according to IUPAC name system, common name system? Because these halogens are at equidistance from each other, and this is symmetrical compound. This compound possesses plane of symmetry. That's why it is known as symmetrical trichlorobenzene or trihalobenzene. We can divide this compound in this plane so that we will get equal parts. We can divide in this plane so that again we will get two equal parts. So that that's why this is known as symmetrical trihalobenzene. And if there is chlorine atom, symmetrical trichlorobenzene. Now let us say tetrahaloarenes. Tetra, the prefix tetra indicates 4. Aromatic halogen compounds in which 4 halogen atoms are directly bonded to benzene ring or aromatic nucleus or aromatic ring are called tetrahaloarenes. Or we can put in the form of definition: aromatic halogen compounds formed by the replacement of 4 hydrogen atoms of benzene ring by 4 halogen atoms are called tetrahaloarenes. Now let us see representation. Here benzene ring, to this benzene ring 4 halogen atoms are directly bonded. This is one of the isomer. 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahalobenzene. What are our positions? 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahalobenzene. Or one more isomer we can draw like this. 1, 2, 3, and here 5. 1, 2, 3 is carbon number 4, and this is carbon number 5. Or 1, 2, 3 is carbon number 4 or carbon number 5. So that this is one more isomer. Again, these are position isomers because they are having same molecular formula, that is C6H2EX4. Molecular formula of both these isomers is same, but their structures are different. They are position isomers of each other. Why they are called as position isomers? The isomers having same molecular formula, but they differ in position of halogen atoms on this benzene ring. That's why they are called as position isomers of each other, and the phenomenon is called as position isomerism. Now, when we replace all these X by chlorine atoms, then that compound is called as 1,2,3,4 tetrachlorobenzene. Again, in this case also, when we replace all these 4 halogen atoms by placing chlorine atom, then this compound is called as 1,2,3,5. 1,2,3,5 or 1,2,3,5 tetrachlorobenzene. Therefore, dear friends, this is about classification of haloarenes. What is important question? What are haloarenes? How are they classified? Very simple question. Dear friends, here we have completed second type of classification of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. We will stop here. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any difficulties, put your difficulties in comment box. We welcome your difficulties all the time. Be healthy, fit and fine. Thank you.